In this video, I'm gonna show you guys to how to skip the mission in your GTA San Andreas by pressing a single cheat code. So can you starting this video just right now? What is going on? My name is Anuj and welcome to another video. And if this is your first time here, you to learn the computer hacks, mobile hacks, or the Pokemon get my live stream, so click on the subscribe button, notification bell icon so you don't miss anything. Now, so okay, we are here to show you guys a trick to how to stop or skip the mission in your GTA San Andreas by pressing a single cheat code, which is tap plus G. So how does it work? So going in our desktop. So okay, we are here in our desktop to show you guys to how to skip the mission in your GTA San Andreas. So firstly, download all these files. Link given in your description to how to download this. So firstly, copy the American GXT, then copy the GTA San Andreas folder in the text, and then paste in this. Copy and replace. And after this, copy the main SCM, then script, and then copy all these files in the data folder. So data folder and then script. So in the script you can paste this. So friends, by this trick you can skip the missions in your GTA San Andreas. So remember to subscribe, remember to like this channel. We always show you guys the best tricks for your PC and mobiles. So you used to read this, get up to 250 likes daily on your Instagram. Just follow me and it's 9090. So it's time to say bye bye friends. Remember to subscribe, remember to like this channel. See you next time. Okay.